Welcome to round 1 of the chicken wing challenge. Shall we? What do you think? Shall we just try?
Yeah, let's
Shall
try
we get a wee aperitif and see where we're at for?
It's enjoyable. Chicken's nicely cooked.
Oh, that's quite nice actually. Oh my god.
Contamination.
Cross contamination.
Close down the house, I thought it's an outbreak.
This is our mascot, Alphonse. He's here for his scraps. No hot sauce will be fed to a dog during this.
Not for me.
We're on the camera roll. How do you feel about that one?
No, nice, very pleasant.
It's not that hot or anything, eh?
No,
It's quite sound.
chicken's nicely cooked.
Yeah, some of them were a bit dry to be fair, but that one, the first one was hard in.
Yeah,
Just bring
I
some.
think it's just a chicken race,
I
isn't it?
think most of the sauce is on the bottom.
This is just number 2.
Yeah, number 2. So, number 1, going upwards to 10. This one starts at about 1300 Scovilles, and then this one up here is somewhere above 2.5 million. So it's casual. That one's got a nice sweetness to it actually. What's that one? That's that garlic and pepperoncini.
Everyone's in it.
The cut on the tongue's starting to flare up nicely.
Them clean bones. I think we go straight into round 3. Like, I'm not really feeling
Any questions?
any after effects yet.
That's it. If you go fast enough, it won't hit till a bit later.
No, I think we'll slow down to be fair. There's something in that one. Got like a, I don't know. That one's sweet as well. Oh, really? Tastes like a sugary snack, eh?
Fruity.
Yeah, something.
Yeah, but now we move on to like Hellfire.
Yeah, I mean that was what? That was Mark's Barbados style hot sauce, do you know what I mean? So good old Mark. Next we've got
Hellfire.
Hellfire, the Devil's Blend.
Hellfire.
I like the way you kept it consistent with wing, leg with leg.
Oh yeah, it's nice to mix it up. I was going to keep the tails as a bonus round, but I thought, nah. Oh yeah.
How's that one?
That one's not too bad. It's more heat. There's not as much flavour in that one, but
Your voice has changed a lot.
it's,
Yeah.
there's not as much flavour in that one.
Getting in the back of my throat a bit more now.
Right, you'll catch it. You'll catch it somewhere.
You can sound like
Los Calientes. I think this is the one that's made by the guys that do all the sauces. Like this is like one of their own ones.
It's a bit shy.
Well, you would,
Well, I don't know.
you would expect maybe something to still feel that one. Like.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I just know.
Anybody had a sip of anything yet?
No, I'm going to try and hold off. I'm going to just let Niall set the pace for
Oh,
like
they set
beverages and stuff.
I feel like the athlete that I deserve to be.
Mm. Oh yeah, yeah, the heat builds in that one.
You made that dish, yeah?
Did you feel that one?
Undertones.
That one's
Spice.
It's got subtle hints. I can feel it
I
like.
feel like I'm sweating.
I can feel like my lips have changed. You know what I mean? I can feel a bit of heat going round
I just feel like my brow's very moist.
You've got some towelettes if you
Yeah.
want them. Right. Yeah, it's not too encouraging, like we start to get into the weird names. We've got Tears of the Sun. So private reserve,
I think
Caribbean.
it's the gap in the times as well. You can feel the after.
Caribbean
effects.
style, you know, they like it hot down there. Yeah, ghosts,
Is this
scorpion,
doing
peppers.
sound as well?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's not a silent film.
No, it's not.
Look where you
Black and white silent
I'll
movies.
turn it into a silent film
That's,
soon.
You're projecting your voice very well.
Yeah.
Oh, he does.
Yeah. Tears of the Sun. Trying to enunciate and not be quite Scottish. Doesn't really work. Oh yeah.
I feel the sun bit.
Can taste the Caribbean. Can taste the sand. The hot sand.
It's not like the tea like that before in the past.
You've got a bit of experience with hot food, do you?
Should I have a curry?
No stranger to a papaya salad. That man's good. She's a bit of a burner, isn't she?
Yeah, I just lick my lips.
I'm trying not to, like, I'm like, try to treat my lips like a bumble.
Like you're eating a donut.
Don't lick them.
Oh.
Yeah, it's getting into danger close territory, to be fair. We've got torch bearer sauces, honey badger, honey mustard.
They're definitely building.
Some sweat, yeah.
Is it not? It
Oh, no,
feels
you
like
got,
I'm
yeah,
sweating.
you got the
Yeah,
eyes.
it feels like
you
I'm
got the
sweating.
eyes going on.
You're nice.
Eh? Yeah. Oh, I feel it's, you know,
It's definitely hit a curve about here.
it's like a supercharger, cranks up quick, but once you hit up, it's
Bottoming out.
you've been looking forward to the honey badger one, to be fair, so
Right.
you just go.
It'd be quite nice, like I say, to marinate. Actually, some marinades and put it in meals so it's edible.
It would definitely be nice to not get the direct fucking contact with it, with the lips.
I see where the honey badger comes in.
Oh, that's straight away, that's fire. Tastes just like honey badgers.
Zero fucks given now.
It's like,
It's gonna be sign language
it's
from now
hot,
on.
it's hot, but then you get the gift of chicken wrapped inside it.
So you keep going.
Maybe just,
Yeah, I don't know. I think the stopping is the,
what is it? Is the downfall.
yeah.
Well, the next one's da bon. So it's probably not going to be that pleasant.
But it is da bon. So it might
If they say that.
might be.
I'm sure in Afghanistan they're
It
not as
just keeps
pleased
it,
about
it's
the
like the
bombs.
little shitty gift that just keeps on giving, eh?
That honey badger's sort of getting to the back of my head.
She's a fucking angry honey badger. Yeah, my entire mouth is like,
Try not to breathe.
I feel like somebody's put
Well,
loads of
Get a
clothes
sip of wine.
pegs in
Yeah,
there.
I don't think it will help. I think it's just going to clear the palate.
Because the acid will. Water.
Oh shit,
It's like-
try that. Try some of that. That takes all your pain away. No, it doesn't.
No, it brings it back
No,
worse.
it's back.
Yeah, it brings it back worse.
Ooh, she's back.
Yeah, cheers for that.
Because the acid in alcohol is like.
Get me the vinegar.
If you make a dish that's too hot, always put like lemon in it or something. Because the acid balances out the. Okay.
You're right, the board.
Yeah, you can let the board after. I ain't gonna this time.
I don't think Drew was a wise idea.
Let's just cover it up
Yeah.
with some chicken. For that mom. Oh. Ah,
Mind over that.
so we've got cook the chicken wings first. And then just put the sauce on top of it. A teaspoon of each one.
I'm starting to regret this decision.
Yeah, all together. Chicken wings on their own would be lovely.
Oh yeah, they would have been.
Oh. Oh, she's a cruel bitch.
Oh, my senses. They're alive.
Oh, I wish I could try and hold it together more.
Milk?
Hmm?
Milk?
Yes, please. A glass of milk would be just standing.
I don't think I need milk in.
Ooh-wee! Milk.
Milk.
Oh, ay caramba.
Oh, no.
That one's actually hitting my ears. Feel that in the ears.
I can't think where it's hitting.
Oh. Oh yeah, that takes away fears. Oh
We've got two left.
milk. Sweet,
Only?
sweet, sweet ambrosia. Oh my god.
The inside of the lips burn?
Fucking my ears are burning. Should really
I can taste chlorine.
I can taste my beard. I can taste your beard.
I can taste my teeth feel like they can taste now.
Your face looks just a little bit
It's all internal with me, like the bleeding. Nothing's coming out yet, I'm not excreting any fluids, but I tell you what,
My eyes feel funny.
yeah, I opened that one up earlier on and sniffed it, and I actually got a heat bud like you just smoked your first fire.
I think I might take that lift home.
I'll put you in the cat bucket, trebuchet you at the back. We'll save you.
Right when you're done, give it 20 minutes.
I should have thought of a few questions to answer just to fill in the gaps where we're dying. Would have helped take your mind off it. So you're a plumber. Tell us your favourite. Tell us your least favourite bit about plumbing.
Eating chicken at the moment.
Okay, I'm starting. I've got a wee. Feel as if it's just. Might have just reached the top of the ski lift. Depends on what your favourite bar of skiers, whether it's coming up or coming down. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's just in the lips now.
That was like pure hell for however long we were sitting like Stevie Wonder trying to play the piano, but it's hotness, eh? So I the scorpion stings your tongue and blurs your vision.
Can you prepare some hot towels, please,
With
Claire?
this 1-2 punch.
Hot towels.
Yeah, just like the ones you get on a plane.
Oh, you wouldn't like it, the parents. You would not like it, fella. How are you feeling?
Yeah, not too bad.
Feeling in there?
I'm just preempting fate now.
Oh, it's going to be.
That's hell on the brink.
Yeah. Yeah.
I feel like I'm going to eat those and be like,
It
I want
amps
to go.
up quick, eh? Like that was alright until.
I feel like I'm going to eat those and be like, I want to go home now.
Yeah.
For a penny and for a pound, no one.
It's the spirit. Oh, it's hot, like, I mean, it's not going to stay down, is it? Ooh. Well, it's just not.
I tried to not get as much contact with my lips with that one.
It's probably a wise idea.
Yeah, my teeth feel like
This
they
is
can
uncharted territory for both of us now, so. Well, from the beginning.
I feel like that's going to
Yeah.
creep up.
Yeah. It's not hit as hard as Davon, eh? It's
I think we feel that one in the morning is the eye of the scorpion.
Yeah, it might be a couple of hours. I've got a toilet roll in the freezer. Should do worse, man.
I might take half.
Yeah. Oh, fucking water. Fireman's friend.
I'll put him in the freezer.
And ours. We just lick them. Oh, that was not too bad, to be fair, right? 9. I got to swap them about. There's the bomb. Literally. Why, that man is actually. That one's creeping on me, like. I feel like I want
I
to.
feel like that one's getting me eternally.
In my mouth every time I breathe. It's a trouble because can't I just put a pin in that? Yeah.
That one's creeping up. I feel like it's just.
On the old
Slow burner.
hot ones one, they actually put an extra dab on the last one.
Why?
Well, fucking stupid. I mean, it's basically one big giant dab we've already got on it, like, but.
Nobody's puking yet, so you need to go a bit.
I mean, I'm a far cry off, like, you'd be sicker than that.
Just pointing.
It was weird with that one, like, literally it was just, like, destroying me, and then it was like, and you're off the hook, and it fucking just calmed itself
Is
down.
it the milk?
Eh?
Is it the milk?
It might have been.
I was just messaging me, she was like, did you like the milk?
No, I don't hide the man, sniff it out. There'd be milk in the dunk.
You can milk anything with a penis.
Oh, see what you mean, don't like the lips. You can. Yeah. I don't like it.
Alphonse is giving me those like sorry
If
eyes.
I got a sheen, I'd be like you, I'd be like,
I'm sorry, I'm going to be a bit lightheaded, to be honest. I think it's because of all that.
you'll be breathing.
It's the Wim Hof breathing that as
Yeah, I
well.
should breathe less.
Might have a cold shower though.
Might join you. I've got fucking shit playlist. Oh. Feel like
I think I might need a friend in the shower.
feel like I'm naturally producing hot sauce now.
Just want to get in there. Send this hell.
Soon-
Because the hell drags out.
Sooner
right?
it's done, yeah, I mean, we'll just say cheers. Okay, no, it's been in that sinkhole in your face. All that does is it just tastes like fire.
Chewing with a band there.
Oh yeah, that's lovely, yeah. Feel like you ate me. Like you wouldn't.
Look what you just done to me.
Doing this. To you.
What are you doing?
Even my sweat's warm.
A wee piece of ham or something for the butchie for being chill. Is that something?
I might have a bit of ham.
You allowed ham?
Yeah.
Be amazing.
Yeah, I'm allowed ham.
Yeah, ham. Ham. Ooh, that one's fucking hot.
I'm not going to feed you here.
Yeah. We're not getting any ham, I don't think.
Looks at ham. vision now. Back of the neck sweating.
I feel like the fucking inside of my neck sweating. Sound. No. Thanks for taking part.
Yeah, thanks.